Hello students, welcome back on the tutorial from the CAT. So today we will make the practice lesson, and basically we will draw all the components of this robot manipulator, starting from the base to until to the grippers. So in the next lesson on the assembly techniques, we will make the assembly of this robot manipulator. So today we will just draw all the components in this lesson. So let's from the first element, it's the base. So open the NX file, new, and OK. Select the sketch, select the datum plane and press OK. So firstly draw the circle with the diameter is 70 millimeter. 7. So put the dimension 70 and extrude it on the height of the 3 millimeters. Press OK. Draw one more two circles on the above of the surface of this cylinder. So on this face, press OK, and the diameter was, first one is 55 and the second is 51. Press OK and extrude it on a distance of 28.7. OK, and unite it with the base. Press OK. Select sketch, select this face, press OK. Draw the circle here. Is the diameter 3.5. Press OK. And using the geometric constraint, make the point on the curve of this point, on the curve of this, and define this distance. As 30 millimeter. Press OK. So extrude it and the reverse direction, and the boolean, select the subtract. OK. So open the pattern feature, select the hole as a pattern. In the layout, select the circular, specify the vector, this vector. Point is the center of the circle, 0, 0 point. So press, and number is here, number is 8, and the angle is 300 divided by 8. So this is the holes. Press OK. The holes are created. So let's change the color of the element. Menu, edit, object display, select the object. OK. From the color select, and we can make it yellow. Press OK. So we can hide these elements, sketches. So first element is ready. save it on the file because we will use it in the assembly first element. For example, you can open the file as a new file. That's the robot arm. Press OK. Open the new file. Okay. Second element is this one. Okay, let's start to draw the base. Its radius is 27.5 and the second is the diameter is 51. Sketch. (27.5) multiplied by 2 the diameter. Extrude it on the height of 2 millimeter. No. Yes, 2 millimeter. And draw one more circle on the bottom side. Diameter is 51. Let's check this. There's mistakes. 27.5 multiplied by 2. Now it's correct. Finish and the sketch. Extrude it on a distance of 3. That's okay. Sketch. Select this face. Okay. Draw the rectangle here and make the fillet of the radius 18. And define here distance is 38. You can make like this distance from here to the center. Let's firstly delete this one. This distance. And this distance. So we can make the drag and drop to bring this one. And there is the tangent constraint. Let's delete this constraint. Let's delete this sketch and draw one more time sketch. Okay, let's make it fillet. (18). Okay, and define the distance from here to the center is the 19. Distance from here to the center is also 19. So, and select this horizontal line and drag and drop to the until here to become the tangent. So the same on this side until the become the tangent. So so now the sketch is ready here. Select extrude, selected this sketch, and you see you can extrude it. Now the distance of the extrude is 50 millimeter. Here write the 50 millimeter and unite, press OK. And here select the chamfer. From here select a single curve, select this one and this one, distance is 6, press OK. So last step is to make the circle sketch. Select this face, press OK and select the circle. Okay, draw the circle with the diameter 7. Make the distance between this axis and this is 0, and the distance from here to here make it 10. Press OK. Extrude it, and the distance of distance is 4. Unite with this object, press OK. Now is make the mirror of this feature. So mirror feature, this feature along the plane of this. You see it's appeared. Press OK. So second element is ready. Let's make hide these elements. Sketch. Let's change the color. Menu. Insert. Edit. Object display. Select the object. OK. Color. Yellow. Press OK. OK again. So second element is ready. This one. File. Save it on the same file. Second name. OK. So second element is ready. Okay, students, the next element is this one of our robot manipulator. So let's start to draw this element. Okay, sketch, select the plane and press OK. So draw the circles. That's the diameter is let's check the diameter. The bigger diameter is the 63.5, and then the same here, and the distance is between them 88.5 millimeters. So we can make the symmetric or just to make the symmetry by putting the value draw the rectangle between them. And this distance is 57. Okay, using the quick trim, just trim these elements and extrude it in the distance of 2.5. That's okay. The base is ready, and now there is some mistake. Let's check this one. It should be extended, and this should be trimmed. Let's check others. It's correct. Trim this one. The correct. So finish. It's corrected. Select this face. Okay. Draw one more circle here. It's the and draw again the circle. The diameter is 81.5. Here, and make offset of this curve and this curve. Let's firstly this curve, reverse the direction, the distance is 2 millimeters, and okay. So make the quick trim, delete this one, and make the project for this curve, okay, and delete this one also, this one, delete this one, and just delete this one and draw another line here, and open, offset the curve, and let's make offset of this curve on that direction, okay. Project curve, this one, that's okay. Quick trim this and this and this, this and this, line here, and this one, and this one. No, this and this and this one. The same here, draw the line here, again draw the here, click trim this element, this element. Let's extrude it. So extrude it 2.5 and unite it with the base and press OK. So this is created. Now is to make these elements and the hole. So drop the two circle here on this surface. So is the 11.5. That's it. And here and the same 4.5 and the same 14.5 here, the same point. Extrude them on the distance of 3, unite with this. Okay, so this is created. Now just the hole is remaining. So sketch, select this face. Okay, the hole diameter is 2 millimeter. It's in the middle. So select a circle, draw the 2 millimeter of hole here, constraint, point on the curve, and this is here. So make the mirror of the curve, mirror it. Okay, extrude it. Reverse direction, not unite but subtract from that object, press OK. So the element is ready. Let's define the color. So edit, object display, select the object. Okay, the color, the yellow, and okay again. So let's hide these elements, the sketches. So this is the third element of the manipulator. Save it. And open the new NX file. Press OK. And let's continue the next element, this one. We will obtain this by the revolve option. So let's open the new sketch, select this plane. Okay, draw here line, is the distance is 40 millimeter, and just we will draw this frame, then we will revolve around this axis in order to obtain this element. So and make the arc here. Is the arc radius is 22.8, 2.8. Make them the tangent, this and this. There are already tangents, so and make the offset on a distance of 2 millimeter. Okay, close the contour, this one, it should be vertical, and quick trim this part. Also close this and this, and draw one more reference line here, the axis of the rotation, convert it to the reference, and make the distance between this reference axis and this is 8 millimeter. Press OK. Open here the revolve. It's selected, that is, and specify the vector is defined from here the axis, and select this axis, so it will revolve around this axis. Press OK. Like this. Select the color. Select the object. OK. Okay, save it as a 4 element. Open the new file. Press OK. Next element is this one. Okay, let's do this. Okay, firstly draw the rectangle here using the bicenter rectangle. Put the dimensions 20, 20, and there is the here fillet of the radius 1, fillet, and extrude it on the distance of 3 millimeter. Okay. Now select the sketch, select this face, press OK. Draw again the rectangle here in the from the center, and define the dimensions 18 and 18. Make them symmetric, this and this symmetric around this axis. Okay, sorry, this and this around the symmetrical this and this around symmetrical this axis. So extrude it reverse direction, that the depth is 1.4 and it is subtract. Let's make it 2. Sketch, select this side of the face, press OK. Draw the circle, this circle with the diameter of the 16 in the center, 16. Okay, extrude it on the distance of 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter, not subtract but unite with this. Okay, so this element is ready. Okay, we can save it and check change the color, select the object, okay, color, in this case we will make it black, okay, so let's hide these elements and this one. Save it. Live. Okay. Okay, students, let's continue the next element of the manipulator. Okay, open the new file. Press OK. Select the sketch and you can select this plane. Press OK. So let's draw the profile. Like this, and define the dimensions. This distance is 10. This distance is 6. Let's draw the element with a smaller scale. Okay. Okay, and then this distance is 2. This also the 2 millimeter. This is 6 millimeter. And this is also the 10 millimeter. This is not 10. This is 10 millimeter. This side. So let's extrude it. We can make the extrude of the symmetric value, and the distance is the 18. Let's make it 9. Press OK. So there is the fillets of the 3 millimeters here. Let's make a fillet. So edge blend, this, 3 mm, this and this. Press OK. Let's make it nice, symmetric, and 0 and 18. So let's make the holes. Here also the fillet of the 0.7. Let's make edge plane here 0.7. Okay, sketch this plane. Okay, draw the hole here, and the distance from here to here is 2 mm, and it's on the geometric constraint of the center point. This is the center point of this, and extrude it reverse direction, then subtract. Okay, the same this face. Okay, two holes here, and extrude them reverse direction, subtract. Okay, close height here. I think this 3 mm. And let's check that this sketch also. It's correct. This is not 6, sorry. 6 is from the here to here. 6. Now it's correct. Hide them. Change the feature color. Edit. Black. Okay. Okay. So this is the element, next element. So let's call it 6. Press OK. Open the new file. Okay, and next element is this. So let's draw this element. Select sketch, select the plane, press OK. Draw the rectangle. Okay, put the dimensions of the rectangle. 40 and 30. So put the chamfers here, 1.8. One 1.8, the same here, and the upper part is 4.7, 4.7, 4.7, 4.7 again. So let's draw the holes. Small holes is the diameter is 3 millimeters. 3 millimeter, and the distance from the base from here to here is 4 millimeter. And let's make it a mirror. And the distance between them is 12 millimeter. Okay, let's delete this one. Okay, define the distance between them. This and this is 12, and the distance between them and this is 9 millimeter. The same, draw the holes here. Make the mirror and define the distance between the two holes. 12, and again draw the hole here. The same, diameter is 3, and the distance from the top edge is 10.4, Again the mirror the hole around the y-axis and define the distance between these two holes is 20 millimeter, and again draw the hole here, this hole with the diameter 8 with the same axis of this hole, and its distance from this edge is 14 from the center. Okay, finish it. So the sketch is ready. Extrude it on a distance of 2 millimeters. Select this sketch and 2 millimeters. Press OK. So this is also finished. Define the color, object display. Select this object. OK. Define the color, black. Okay. Hide them. Okay, save it. Okay, next element of the arm is its gripper. So open the NX, new file, and press OK. Select the sketch, datum plane, and OK. So let's firstly draw this part of the element, and draw the line here, and its length is 22 millimeter. Okay, we can make it symmetric. This point around this axis, symmetric. Convert it to the reference line. Make it offset, symmetric offset, and the distance is 10. Not a 10, but we will make it 5 because of 5. And okay, so select the arc, make the arc on this side, the radius is 5, the same on this side. Okay, draw the two holes with the diameter of the 3 millimeter. Now is to draw this part of the element, so draw the line starting from here. Its length is 28. Make it offset, not symmetric, and offset distance not offset, just we can draw the line here and make it the parallel, not equal, the parallel. This and this is parallel, and define the distance as a 5 millimeter. You can make the offset, it's easier. So trim this element. Also we can trim this part. Okay. Let's define the angle here. From the half, draw this one and define this distance 14. Trim this one and define the angle is 135. And 4.2. And draw here this element. Geometric constraints, open the geometric constraint. Firstly draw the line here. And use geometric constraint, point on the curve, on this curve. So now we can delete this line or convert to the reference and make the pattern single curve, this and this. Now this one, press OK. We have to increase the numbers. Pattern the future. this and this linear around this. The number, let's make it 10. Press OK. Make constraint coincidence of this and this and this. Close it and finish. So the profile is created. Extrude it. The distance of 3 millimeter. Select this one and 3 millimeter. Okay. Let's define the color of gripper. Select the gripper. Okay. The same black. Okay. Okay. So we can hide these parts. The gripper is created. Now the last pro is the bolt for the holding the fixing the elements of the manipulator. It's easy. Open the new file. Sorry, firstly just to save the gripper. Can 8. Okay. New file. Okay. Sketch this plane. The circle is the diameter is just 3. And extrude it on a distance of 5 millimeter. Define the color. So this is just a bolt, simple. Save it. 9. Okay. So students, that's all for today. It's all the components for the manipulator, robot manipulator. In the assembling lecture, as I mentioned before, we will make also learn the assembly techniques and the make of assembly of all the elements. This all element 9 elements in order to make this robot manipulator. Thank you very much.